My keys got stuck on my pants.
Uh-oh, honey.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
Thank you. Look at this. This is so cute. Bento plate. I love it. So my mom and I, we went to Ikea, as you guys saw, and this is what I got. I thought this was like so freaking cute. This is like, I can't even think of the name right now, but when I saw this, I had an idea. Q-tips, cotton swabs, cotton balls, and the round things. I can't think of the name. So I thought, goodbye container, hello this. Okay, so I don't know if it's like okay like that or if I should have them upside down. I don't know. What do you guys think? Look who I have with me. Justice is going to stay a night at his aunt's house, right?
Yeah.
You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're actually at Walmart right now because I have to pick up something for him and also something for me to put in my bathroom because I still need cotton swabs and those round pad thingies. I can't think of the name. What you doing? Okay, let's go. So it's hours later and I am at Target right now, just looking at stuff. Jess is staying a night over at my aunt's house and there's not many people here, so it's like I'm like feeling really weird and awkward vlogging right now. I was smelling this earlier and it smells so good. Pumpkin spice. Yeah, that smells so good. I love this right here. This is like so freaking cute. That is, I like that. So, you know when you go into a whoa. So you know when you go to a store to get 1 or 2 items that you have on your mind? I almost came out of Target with more than 6 items. And so far I left with 4 items. So the first one, oh really, that fell out? The first one is this. What does it say? Collapsible lap desk. And I have one in my room. It's just being used as like holding on, or like keeping my computer off the ground right now. And my monitor does not work, so I'm trying to get rid of that. First I'm looking for shelves. Anyways, but yeah, I got this because literally there's barely enough room on my desk for me to write, and I have no shelves for the books that I pushed off to the side. So I have this to put on my bed, and this is what I originally went to Target for, so I can fill up the little bowl thing, cups, whatever, in my bathroom, the one that I bought at Ikea. And I got cotton balls, and I also get out I also have pens. I thought these were really cute. I just couldn't help myself but to get it. So that is like literally everything that I got. Can we just admire like how beautiful the sky is right now? It's like so gorgeous. And I'm hearing like seriously fire trucks. Where is it? Oh, here it comes. There it is. What is going on? I always have to go the cheapest thing I could find. So I went with basic because I am so basic. I feel like I can do something with it. Like, put just that side. No, that's too much. Perfect. Kind of. And it is complete. This is so cute. I am obsessed with it. Now the pens, I love how they feel. Oh my gosh. I really like the pink and the white one. But I don't know like which one I want to use first. What the fuck? It's really hard to choose. They're all so cute. I don't know. If you guys made it to the end of the vlog, welcome to TMI. Actually, I really kind of want to start this because I want to see how you guys feel about like a blank screen with just me talking and nothing else going on. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know. I'll do that in every single of my videos. Blank screen, me talking your ears off, listening to me stuttering, pausing every single second, and messing up on my words. But anyways, so TMI, today is September 4th. I was supposed to start my period the 1st of September. I am feeling miserable today. I mean, like for the past couple of days I've been holding in my tears, and now today I've just been bursting out my tears non-stop, like I can't control them. My body was shaking. I wanted to get out of the house. I wanted to leave. I want to get out of town. I needed a drink. But I was able to get out of town. I went to Ikea out in Orlando, and I did some shopping. Shopping actually calmed me down. I mean, like, I'm trying to tell myself like I don't need to shop for anything. I have to push some money to the side so I can save up for like a Mac laptop and a new iPad, because my computer that I have right now is not working at all. Like the screen is black. I don't feel like taking it apart to get it fixed, so I'm just going to be using my desk as like a vanity. And my iPad that I am using to edit all my videos is done updating, so I can't get like the new updates for all my apps. So it's just annoying. So yeah, what the hell is wrong with me? I've been saying so a lot in every single of my videos, and I can't stop saying so this and so that and yada yada yada. Anyways, Yes, so today I just cried nonstop, and my mom helped me out by taking me out. Well, technically I took her out. She told me that if I needed to get out of the house, I can just go ahead and go. And as soon as I was about to walk out the door, Mom was like, "Let me go to Ikea with you." So we had a super fun mother and daughter trip to Ikea. We love Ikea. Who doesn't? Anyways, I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please hit that like button, and I had to think of what the heck I was trying to say. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Good night.